Last week, the Education Minister, Janet Kataha Museveni, pronounced that all schools would resume on 10th January 2022 after 2 years of lockdown. To ensure that this happens, today schools have started training their teachers of what is required of them ahead of the school reopening date when the learners return to class.
To take them through the SOPs for schools, we will take them through child protection, we will take them through psychosocial support. How are they going to handle and manage children as they return?
In a bid to reduce the spread of COVID-19, the head teachers have been told to adapt a shift system and suspend activities like assemblies that gather students in one place.
So if they must have assemblies, they should bring in a staggered way, whether in a by section or by classrooms. But other messages can be communicated to children in their respective classrooms without bringing them for assemblies.
Some schools also, the compounds, they are not big enough for the learners to say that maybe we have released this class, it has gone to a certain section and another one, because the area, it is an urban area whereby schools, they are being operating in very small pieces of land.
Some of the teachers we spoke to expressed concern on how to deal with grown-up learners and students who have since become parents.
It would be nice to have such children go back to school, though I know that for the schools they may be hesitant to bring in these children in the midst of the others, but they can probably take on the approach of adult learning. Also, like in the lockdown, we've had things of studying at home. Probably those groups, Zoom classes can be supported, or we send them study materials and maybe a one-on-one with a teacher to support such groups.
In a related vein, the Interreligious Council called on school owners not to hike school fees ahead of the school reopening date.
To the proprietors of private schools to balance the needs associated with the recovery of their institutions and the precarious situation in which the parents find themselves.
The training that kicked off today at Nakasero Primary School is going to run until the 27th of this month, training over 1,000 teachers on how to handle learners when they return back to class. Raymond, Tamale, NTV, Kampala.